We often get questions as to what the differences are between our hosted solution and when you host Standard Time internally on your own in-house servers. And so this video is intended to help clarify that. What you're looking at here is Standard Time Web Edition, and when we host Standard Time, this is the solution that you get. It's a 100% web-based timesheet with all the other features included: project management, time off, expenses, billing, and so on. But it is a web-based solution. It is not a Windows-based solution. And so we are hosting Standard Time on our own servers, and so you access it across the internet with a web browser. But if you decide to host Standard Time internally on your own servers, you can use both the Windows and the web versions. So there's a bit of an advantage to host it yourself, but the big advantage to having us host Standard Time is that you don't have to deal with the IT maintenance. So we will maintain the servers, we will maintain the databases, and we provide the technical support because we're hosting it, all included in one package. So you simply sign up and you just begin using it almost right away. So that's the real big advantage to having us host it. But if you host it, then you would install your own server databases, connect Standard Time to those databases, connect the web version to the database, and then you would maintain those things in-house with your own IT staff. So that's the big advantage, having us maintain all those servers. So I talked about the two differences. One is that when we host it, you get the Windows edition like you're seeing here. Again, with all the 6 tabs along the top, all the features that you normally would see in Standard Time. But if you host it on-premise on your own servers, you also get the Windows version of Standard Time. So I'm going to switch over to that. Just take a look at that. You can see that they look a little different. I'll just switch back and forth to the web edition and then back to the Windows edition. A little different, not much, the same basic features. But with the Windows version, you do have some integration with Microsoft Project that you would not have on the hosted version. So if you go to the Tools menu, choose Projects, right-click on a project, you can choose the Microsoft Project Integration Wizard. Okay? That would be on the Windows application. We do not provide that for the hosted version as of the time of this video. Let's cancel out of that. There are other advantages to the Windows version. That would be for QuickBooks integration if you happen to be using QuickBooks. I'll just go here to the Tools, QuickBooks, Import Customers and Items. You could also export time and expenses. But these items here, these menu items, go directly to QuickBooks running on your machine. Now the web edition also has QuickBooks import and export, but it uses the IIF file exchange. So there's actual text files that exchange information between the two. So those would be the differences. So again, if you host it internally, in-house, on your own servers, you would be able to put the Windows version on your workstations, and you could also access Standard Time Web Edition using a web browser like you see here. If we host it on our servers, then you would be limited to just the web edition using a web browser. And that limitation may not be all that great. It may not be something that you care about. You may not have to integrate with Microsoft Project or QuickBooks. In that case, the 100% web-based solution might be the best solution. So this hopefully clears up some of those questions, but I think the best way would be to check with our sales department, call us up, and ask exactly what the differences are, and we can go through that, and that way you can make an informed decision. So hopefully that helps, and this answers those questions.